So how do you stop the photo previews on your iPhone? Let me guide you through some options. Let's get started. And if this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, there are more ways or angles we can take a look at this. For example, if you check out your settings by scrolling down entirely to the bottom, you'll find apps. And from those apps, you can find the photos section. So specifically go to photos, not to Google Photos or anything else. But in there, you will have the ability to find yet another page of settings just for the photos, and in there we have the autoplay motion, for example. And if you don't like that, for example, this could cause the preview from being shown right away. So if you don't like that, you can give it a try to see if that makes any difference to you. Right, so yeah, and other than that, you might mean something completely different. For example, there are also previews when you receive a message. Like, for example, somebody sends you a photo through a message, and if you want to stop that from previewing, that's a different story because you have to as well just get to the apps section and open up the messages. As such, and you should be able to find notifications where the previews have their own places, right? So for example, there are three options. I personally have it set to never, but you can choose when unlocked or always. But when you choose the never option, you just get like a pop-up that a message has been received, but you don't see who it's from, or you don't see the preview of the photo which might be attached there. So this is another thing which you might be interested in. So I would really appreciate your feedback below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later in the next videos as well.